Hey guys, iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at Apple's brand new battery pack case, or Apple Smart Battery Case for the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now the iPhone 11 Pro Max already has amazing battery life, so adding this on top will be incredible. It'll be 2 days of battery life without having to charge the phone. It's gonna be awesome. Now this case is not cheap. It's not very cheap at all. It's $129, but what you're getting with the case, I think, is worth the price. At least for me it is, because you're getting pretty much double the battery life, and we all love having extra battery life on our iPhones. So for $129 plus tax, you can pick one of these up. Right now they have 3 different colors. They have black, they have pink, and of course the white that you see here. Now these are available for the iPhone XS, the iPhone XS Max, the iPhone XR, and of course the new iPhones, the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. This is Apple's Smart Case. Now let's go ahead and unbox it here. I want to share the unboxing experience with you guys. So let's go ahead and remove the case right out of the packaging here, and let's take a look inside. So when you take the case out, you get instructions on how to install it. It is pretty simple. All you have to do is turn this sideways or bend it backwards, just like that. Very easy. Now we'll get to the case here in a few seconds. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the paperwork inside of the box itself. And once you remove that, let's see if we get little Apple stickers on this one. Nope, no Apple stickers. You have some instructions here on how to use it, but of course we're not going to need any of that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the case itself. Now there's something new on this case that wasn't there before with previous Apple Smart battery cases, and I'll go over those here in a few seconds. But of course on the back you have the Apple logo, you have the hump here for the case, that's where the battery lies, and you have the cutout for the camera. Now on the right side or left side, depending on how you look at it, you have the power button. On the other side, you have the cutout for the mute switch, of course, and volume up and down. But one thing that's new with this case is a new dedicated camera button. Can you see that? Right there it is. The new dedicated camera button is now on the new iPhone 11 Smart Battery Case, which I'm going to be testing, of course. You have your lightning connection at the bottom, access to the speakers, of course. Inside, the texture of this feels like microfiber towels, so it is nice. It's not going to scratch your iPhone. Of course, the silicone is surrounding. The actual charging indicator inside of the case, I never knew why Apple did this, but it is there inside of the case. And of course, the lightning connection. Let's go ahead and connect this to a power source to see if we get any power here and see the actual charging indicator. So it's going to power it in. There we go. So it is plugged in. You have an orange light when it is charging. Let's go ahead and slide the iPhone right in by simply bending this over backwards, just like that, and sliding the phone right in, just like so. And then slip this over, and there it is. The Smart Battery Case is active right away. Now you have the widget on the actual lock screen here, so you see that you have the case right there on the widget where you have your iPhone battery, you have your Apple Watch battery as well on this. So everything is right there on Apple's battery case, or actual battery widget there. So let's head on over to settings here and see if we have any additional settings in the battery department here for the actual case. Doesn't look like we have any additional settings here for the actual case. So let's head on over to the camera here and test out the new shutter button on the actual case. So all you have to do is go ahead and set the camera mode that you want. There we go. It actually takes pictures directly using the physical button on the case, which is nice. I kind of like that. You can hold your iPhone just like this and take pictures. It's really cool. Now the case itself looks pretty neat, I guess. The camera right here looks pretty cool. The contrast looks really nice. The texture of the case feels nice. It's not slippery or anything, so you're not gonna drop it easily unless you're clumsy. And let's go ahead and test the wireless charging, because this one also features wireless charging. So if you place it on a wireless charging mat, it should start charging the actual case. So let's go ahead and do that. There it is. It is charging both the case and the iPhone at the same time. So let's go ahead and place it here one more time, show you that. Once you place it on the mat, it'll start charging right away, just like so. So if you're looking to get a battery pack for your iPhone, Apple's battery case is a great alternative because it does have access to some of the software features, which some other cases do not. For example, you have access to widgets, you have access to software updates and fixes if there's any bugs in the future, and of course it's well integrated with iOS. Now one thing I've always complained about the Apple battery case, the Smart Apple battery case, is that it's always charging the iPhone. So it drains the battery on the actual case first, and then it kicks in for the iPhone's battery, so the built-in battery. I wish there was an off switch, and this is something Apple could most likely add with a software updates, maybe under the batteries tab, to power off the actual case when you don't need it, only have it working when you do need it. Because right now, even if you have 100% battery life, it'll be constantly charging. But I hope that Apple will add a switch, or maybe with the software update add a switch where you can deactivate the case and then continue using it when you want to use it. And that's pretty much it. This is a quick unboxing of Apple's brand new battery pack or smart battery case. Is it affordable? No. Is it worth it? Most likely. I'll be testing how long the actual iPhone 11 Pro Max will last with this new smart battery case for the iPhone 11. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.